Photoshop quick tips. I want to talk about getting control over your brushes in Photoshop. Let's get into it. So we've gone over masking, and it's really important that you have control over your brushes in order to have control over your masks. So this is the brush tool here. We're going to select that and just go over a couple of the options here. So I'm just painting on a layer. This applies to painting on a mask as well. If I just paint, you can see I have this really soft edged brush that's applying really thick, and the brush is fully black when I paint. So if I go up to this options panel here for your brushes, you can see a size slider and a hardness slider. If I play with this hardness, you can see I get a much harder edge, as you would imagine. So the size, I rarely play with this size slider. A really useful shortcut is to use the bracket keys, and the left bracket makes it smaller, the right bracket makes it larger. So that saves you a ton of time having to go back up here and play with the size. So the other property that we're interested in is flow up here. If I reduce the flow, you can see it's no longer just going to straight black. This is gradually applying color, or blackness in this case. So it's really important to have control over your flow, your size, and your hardness.